Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your April love and work forecast for Scorpios. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Scorpio, this reading is for you. If you know a Scorpio, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share because you get a chance to win a free reading if you subscribe. It is only for subscribers. One person is selected every month, so subscribe, like, share. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website, friends, www.magicwindstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. So, friends, let's see for those Scorpios, what's the theme of the month for Scorpios? Theme of the month for Scorpios. Ooh, Nine of Pentacles. Money is coming, Scorpios. A lot of money is coming your way. This is gaining your power, your confidence, and success, expansion. Good things are coming your way. Definitely, this is a month of feeling very powerful, feeling success, achieving a lot of money, financial or emotional independence, and definitely your career will be expanding. Some of you could be shifting a country or a city, or you are just expanding your career, your work life. Oh my god, or some of you could be expanding your love life. So wow, this is interesting, very nice. And yes, you are very ambitious Scorpios in the month of April. Your passions, your ambitions are sky high. Your desire to achieve more, your desire to do more things in life. You will want to explore, you will want to see life, you know, where things are going. You want to try something new. Excellent month for you, friends. Excellent. Seriously, Scorpios, you deserve it. And some Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person may be important to you, and I also feel that you might travel with a lover or a husband or a family member, and I see it will bring you new ideas, new some of you may travel alone for work or for businesses, and it will bring you a lot of ideas. It will connect you with the right people. I see that you're very positive this month, very positive, which is wonderful, wonderful. And you're very independent also, Scorpios. So let's see who's coming in love for Scorpios. Who's coming in love for Scorpios in April? Ooh, Four of Wands, all right. Oh my god, Aries, Leo, Sag, the World. All right, so I do see that there is a person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, someone who lives in another city or country, or maybe this is a a new person who is coming towards you. I do see that you may have known this person already, or I do feel like, let's just clarify. Yeah, there is a person who was in a long distance relationship or who was not sharing a lot about their feelings to you. I feel like this may be somebody new or someone someone whom you have dated or known from the past, but someone you haven't recently talked in in the recent times. So it feels like someone you were not talking with, or someone who was distant to you, lives in another city or country. That person is definitely going to reach out to you. I feel they could be an Aries, Leo, Sag person. I also feel if you're really single, it could be a new person which will meet you in a wedding or some celebration or an office event or in college event or something, and you're gonna hit it up. Things gonna really go great between you and this person if they are a new person, because I do see that they are a new person. But for some of you, it is somebody who was not in contact, who was not talking to you because they were traveling or they were busy. So that person is definitely coming towards you. How the Scorpio's love life will be in April? Oh yeah. Again, see, two energies are coming for you. Yeah, two energies are coming for you, Scorpios. Get ready. All right, so I do feel like somebody from the past, or someone you had, an online connection, or someone you just dated in the past, but things didn't go well. Someone who is quite rational, someone who is quite practical person also at the same time, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Aries, Leo, Sag. That person is definitely coming towards you in the month of April. In the first week, things are gonna go very well between you and this person. You may meet them and decide to travel with them, or things are just gonna hit off with this person. Very nice. Yes, very quick conversations, very quick developments in the first week. This is a very happy and sweet week for you, Scorpio. So, yes, good energies. But in the second week, I see, yes, somebody from your friends also like you. I see that. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and they will try to reach out to you or propose to you in the second week of April. I see you studied with this person or you work with this person and they have feelings for you and they want to reach out, but you will be in a confusion because Scorpios, you are like, should you deal with this past person or should you deal with this new person? And you may, if you are talking to this new person, you will feel like you are cheating with the past person or you are being guilty. So lots of confusion here. And please excuse my throat, it's just dust here that's causing it to be like throat, rashy. Yeah, I feel the third week is going to be very interesting for you, Scorpios. Yes, you will have to decide in the third week which person you're gonna choose, the past person, the friend, or the lover. You will really have to take a decision, but you will not be sure which person is it that you need to choose. So confusions are definitely there. But I feel, things will still be going well in your love life, even in the third week. And in the final week, yes, of April, you will be celebrating something with your family, with your friends. You will be going out with family or going on a vacation with family or, your lover's family also, or you guys together, their family, your family, and there is a chance of commitment happening for you, or talks about commitment, marriage, engagement, or someone in the family is getting engaged and married. So congratulations. And I think this will be a very good time, if there is a talk of marriage in the family for you or for somebody else, Scorpios. This will definitely give a positive boost to your love life. So great things are coming your way, Scorpios. What a month for you in such a positive reading and after such a long time. So let's see some advice for your love life. All right, trapped in fear. Yeah, I do feel you are a bit, a lot of people want you in April, Scorpio. So you may feel a bit guilty, like which one to choose and not to choose. Heart chakra, yes, you have to focus on your heart, friends. The one that your heart chooses is the right answer, is the right person for you. And what else? Balance, yeah, you have to stay in balance. I also feel you could be dealing with a twin flame connection this month, 11-11. And it may cause a lot of fear, anxiety, and also you may feel a bit confused about your person because they are a bit independent, or you are also a bit independent, they are also a bit independent. So you are like, what am I supposed to do? So stay balanced, things are good for you. See, movement, choices, and decisions. Yes, choices are there for you in April, so don't worry. And choices and decisions, you'll be able to take the right decisions. Just follow your heart. And partnerships and alliances, I definitely see that there are chances of a partnership, a marriage, or commitment, or talks about it happening definitely in this month. So get ready, friends, get ready, Scorpios. Let's see your work and career now. What a wonderful month for you. Scorpios, their work and career in April. Wow, wisdom. Emotional withdrawal, passions ignited, and disruption. Oh my god, so you are looking for change in your work. Definitely, I see that some of you may be actually leaving a job, or you may start something like your own work or something, or you may also feel a sense of like you want to quit your job or quit whatever you are doing and start something new. You don't want to be restricted this month in any way, Scorpios. You want to be free, like the eagle, like the tiger. And wisdom, yeah, but you have to be a little careful. I think this is not the right time to leave a job. No, I don't see that. I don't think so. You should actually try to do things side by side, work on a business, work on your job also. I also feel this is a time of learning for you rather than taking action. So even if you are frustrated this month, just try to keep your patience, learn something from it. I do see that there might be a tower movement happening in your work or finances, but it is going to make you feel very excited about the future. You may miss the, whatever you lose or whatever tower movement happen, you will feel sad about it. But I think this is a blessing in disguise, because it is making you stronger. It is also making you understand that you can earn on your own. You can be a very successful businessman. You can be a very successful entrepreneur. A very successful musician or somebody also. Also, some of you may start teaching this month, so yes, that would be excellent for you. Passions ignited, something will start new for you in this month, friends, Scorpios. Or you may relocate, or you may start, you may leave a job, or your office may shift something, or management will shift, and it will be a good change for you, a very, very good change for you. I also see that some of you, if you are giving exams, they may not go as well as you were planning, but please do not lose your hope, because something else will be going well for you in the month of April. So keep your patience, Scorpios. This is like powerful month for you. Keep your patience, don't lose hope, and learn from whatever is happening. There is a great lesson to learn from here, and you are becoming very, very powerful, Scorpios. So learn and don't lose hope. Stay positive. Let's see. So November is important for you. I also get the November rain song. For some of you it might be important. You might be some of you might want to make a career out of music or something. Yes, it's good. Born in November, somebody is important. Climbing towards success. Yes, friends, you are moving towards success, whether you know it or not, but you are. Deep personal strength and peace, which will assure you success. Yes, no matter what change is coming this month, friends, your success is guaranteed. Your career will expand. Your life is expanding. Take care, or there will be a loss of material wealth. Yeah, I do feel the tower could be about that. You losing some money, you invest in business, or you put some money, you lose it, or money was promised but it never came to you. So be careful about money. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. So yes, your wishes are coming true. Great personal sorrow, teardrops. Yeah, you do miss somebody. I don't know what it is. Something you miss. Maybe it is traveling you missing or something. Someone is behaving stupidly. Yeah, I do feel someone at work could also behave a bit stupidly. Where someone is trying to get between you and someone else. Torch. Spiritual development and enlightenment and understanding. So yeah, you are an inspiration to many, Scorpios. You must understand that you are an inspiration to a lot of people. A younger man may be important to you, a friend or somebody, or a colleague. Yes, you're gonna achieve your victory, friends. You're gonna really achieve it. You have worked for it, friends. And a younger woman is also important. So wow, lots of people are important for you, Scorpios. That's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.